sir.
Our project is about power theft identification system in distribution lines using differential power measurement. Let's know the concept of power theft. Power theft means stealing the electrical power by unauthorized tapping on the distribution lines. Basically, power theft are of two types. Type 1, drilling holes into the meters, meter tampering, bypassing the meter. Type 2, direct hooking on the distribution lines. Type 1 can be controlled by sealing the meters by the government, but Type 2 is the uncontrollable theft. To detect this type of theft, we are doing this project. Coming to the project kit, the components of our project are step-down transformer, diode bridge rectifier, capacitive filter circuit, voltage regulator and LED. Motherboard circuit we have LCD, microcontroller, buzzer, push button and data lines. Coming to the converter circuit, we have ADC circuit and 555 timer. Triac circuit we have triac and a optocoupler. And the major components of our project are these two current transformers. These are the components in the kit. Let's come to the operation. We have a power supply of 230 volts 50 Hz coming from this line. Here there are two tappings taken out from the supply wire. First one is given to the step down transformer, which step down the voltage from 230 to 9 volts. This 9 volt AC supply is given to the bridge rectifier, which converts AC to pulsating DC. To convert this into pure DC, it is made to pass through the capacitive filter circuit and voltage regulator. The regulated voltage is given to the motherboard to drive the microcontroller, LCD display and buzzer. Another rectified supply is given to drive the ADC and 555 timer. Second tapping from the supply wire is considered as the distribution lines. It is now given to the current transformers, which are placed aside, that is one at the starting end and other at the ending of the distribution line. Those two are differentially connected. CT1 is called load current transformer, CT2 is called theft current transformer.
This is the authorized load and this is the unauthorized load. When the unauthorized load is connected to the utilization of the utilization of the CT will be very high as they are differentially connected. The difference between the two CTs are very large. The secondary currents of the current transformers are given to the ADC and displayed on the LCD through the microcontroller and activates the buzzer. This buzzer is turned off manually by the reset button. Hence we can conclude that the power theft is detected.